Hey, welcome to another episode of DIYCarModz. My name is Jeff, and today I'll be reviewing the new LED bulb from Auxbeam. This is their F-6 LED series. Alright, here is a close-up of the LED bulb. Each bulb is rated at 30 watts at 3000 lumen. The color is 6500K, pure white. It comes with 4 Bridge Lux CREE LED, 2 on each side. Everything is aluminum. This right here, the black part is plastic. This one right here is rubber O-ring. It does come with a fan in the back. It is 12,000 RPM, so there will be fan noise. There is no external LED driver. All you have to do is just connect this to your stock wire harness, and that's it. Right, installation is very simple. All you do is go ahead and locate your low beam, follow that back, and remove your stock halogen bulb. I have here a sample headlight, so it's easier to show you. So here is your low beam. Turn it counterclockwise and pull out. Now take the new LED bulb, and you see those little black tabs. They have to correspond with that cutout. And so you just put them in here and twist them until all the tabs line up, like so, and push down and turn it clockwise. And this should, the wire, once you have it correctly installed, should be facing straight down. Some people were complaining on some of the LED bulbs that after they've inserted this, that this is loose. Well, if it is, that means you haven't lined up those 3 tabs correctly, and so one of the tabs is out. And so what you do is, again, you just twist them until you feel that all 3 of them are seated inside. Push down firmly and then turn it clockwise, and again, the wire should be facing straight down. Next, go ahead and take the plug from the LED and plug it into your stock wire harness. Now there's going to be one side is going to be plus and one side is going to be negative, and so you just have to match that up. What positive is the brown color right here, the black is negative. Now before working on the opposite side, go ahead and turn on your headlights to verify that this worked. And as you can see, it does. Alright, so here's a comparison between the new Auxbeam LED versus the stock halogen bulb. The stock side is that off-white color, almost yellow. And the new LED right here is pure white. Alright, so I have both the driver and passenger side switched out to the new Auxbeam LED, and you can see it matches the rest of my parking LEDs that I have. Here's a nighttime demo of the Auxbeam LED. It's currently installed on a 2013 Honda Accord Coupe, which comes with a stock halogen projector. Here is the cutoff of the Auxbeam LED. I'm parked well over 40 feet away from that wall. The light goes about 2.5 to 3 cars to the left and right. There's really no hot spot. It's even lighting all the way across. And it lights up all the way over here. And the car is parked all the way over there. So yeah, this is about at least 3 car length to the side. On each side of the vehicle, it lights up. But again, with all LEDs, the light is not very intense. It does light up even across, but it lacks intensity and focus. As you can see, the cutoff is kind of blurry at the top. It's not very sharp at all. But again, I'm parked well over 40 feet away from this wall. So there is slight fan noise that you can hear over the engine, but when you have the radio on, you're not able to hear this at all. It's not as bad as some other LEDs. So I would rate this, even though yes, it does have a fan, it's relatively on the quiet side. It's not a very annoying, loud humming sound. So this is with the lights on. Alright, so I'm on an empty road, and as you can see, the LED looks a little bit brighter because there's no other lights to wash out the light. Alright, so this completes the product review, installation, and demo of the new LED from Auxbeam. I'll have the product link in the description below, so go check it out. As always, don't forget to follow me on social media, Facebook and Instagram, where I do free giveaways for my YouTube subscribers every month. And as always, thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.